So we're happy to have Xiaopeng here, so please welcome him.
My name is Xiaopeng Chen. I'm a CEO and founder of Agile Robots. Our mission from the first day of foundation of the company is always to make the industry smarter, more efficient, and more flexible by seamlessly combining robotics, AI, and making manufacturing and industry anywhere in the world. Nowadays, 60–80% of the manufacturing process are automated through robotization in comparison to the handcraft manufacturing in the past days, which is actually the phase one of Agile Robots, robotization and automation. We have done a good job in the past years. We have learned enormously from our intensive collaborations with Apple, Foxconn, BMW, and all the leading brands. And it was very important to understand the customer pain points and provide solutions accordingly, which has been really well accepted by our customers, as you can tell from our revenue growth. And the first phase of our goal has been successfully reached in the past years. But for the challenges the industry are facing today, actually robotization automation is not enough to remain competitive and efficient. Our robots, over 10,000 robots, learn every day, just like us. They learn new movements, new skills, how to react, and how to adapt to changing environments. We're not making prototypes, we're actually making large-scale applications. So I will share a little bit of learnings in the past 6 years after I left academic area, what we actually find in the past 6 years in the industry. Implement research findings in real-world applications and integrate findings from real-world applications back to the research, and stay close to the customers and understand the customer needs. But long story short, I think most likely 2 points: fast iteration from research to application and vice versa. We have to be on the factory floor, seeing the truth of what does and what does not work, and integrate everything to products. That's all from my side today. Thank you.